Hi beauties, welcome back to Color by Annika. Today we are diving into a much requested topic, makeup tips for long, slim faces. If you've been struggling to make your face look shorter and more balanced, I've got some amazing techniques for you, including the latest trends from Korea that are taking the beauty world by storm. So this is my face without any makeup on. Before we start, let's talk about what makes a face look longer. If your face is noticeably longer than it is wide, and your forehead, cheeks, and jawline are nearly the same width, you have an oblong shape. Usually, the chin and the forehead are quite long. The goal here is to create more width and shorten the appearance of the face. For the foundation, choose a formula with a glowy finish rather than a matte one. A radiant base reflects light and creates the illusion of more volume, which is ideal for adding fullness to slimmer faces. I am using the Shiseido Revitalisance Skin Glow Foundation, as it has a very glowy, dewy finish. Now we want to contour our faces shorter. For that I'm using a Kiko contouring stick. You don't have to use a contour stick, you can also work with a bronzer or a powder. Or you could also work with a foundation that is 2 shades darker than your skin tone. For contour, focus on shading the top of the forehead near the hairline and the bottom of your chin. For the forehead, you want to create a straight line. You don't want to blend the dark shade into the side of your face, because this will take away from the side of your face, which will take away width. For the chin, we also want to reduce the length. That's why we are shading the chin and we're going all the way to our neck. You want to make sure to really blend well for a natural look. The key is to add shadows where you want to reduce length. So now that we have shortened the forehead and the chin, we want to have a look at our cheekbones. So usually when we want to make the face appear slimmer, we would contour almost vertically. But to make the face look fuller, we want to contour in a horizontal line, almost horizontal line, because horizontal lines will give the appearance of a wider face. So what I want you to do is don't go in all the way to your nose, but start at the just under the outer corner of your eyes. So again, you contour horizontally towards your ear and of course blend it in really well with the sponge. Try to do this equally on each side of the face. To add fullness and balance out the narrowness of your face, apply concealer or foundation that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone to the center of your cheeks. This trick helps bring more attention to the middle of the face, creating the illusion of a rounded cheek area and shortening the face's appearance overall. Now, blush can make a huge difference. Avoid placing it on the high points of your cheeks, but instead apply it more horizontally, starting at the apples of your cheek and sweeping it towards your ears. This will widen your face and draw attention to the sides. I am using the Inglow Liquid Face Blush in color 93. When it comes to brows, opt for a slightly straighter brow shape. A high arch can elongate the face, so try to keep the brows lower and more natural. We want the eyebrow arch to be at the outer corner of your face as much as possible. This will widen your face. Same goes for the eyes. We want to elongate the eye shape. That's why we are working with an eyeliner, mostly on the inner corner and outer corner of the eyes to create more width here as well. With a darker eyeshadow, you can elongate your eyes as well. For that, you'll just shade a new eye crease that is a little bit more outside. And of course, don't forget to blend everything well. Now let's add some K-beauty magic. One popular trick is a technique where you highlight the small puffy area under your eyes. It adds volume and a cute, youthful look that helps balance the face's length. Also focus on gradient lips instead of sharp outlines. This keeps the look soft and draws attention to the center of your face. So now that we are done with the makeup, lastly let's talk about hair and finishing touches. Hairstyles that add volume on the sides, like loose waves or shoulder length cut, will help your face appear shorter. Avoid high ponytails as they can make your face look even longer. So avoid all the hairstyles that have your hair up and back like this. This will make your face appear longer. For my video tutorial on how to make round faces appear slimmer, check the video above. And that's it, ladies. Remember, makeup is all about enhancing your unique features and having fun. If you've enjoyed these tips, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which technique you're excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.